Hello and top of the hour to you, wherever you're watching from. Congratulations! I'm so excited you have come this far. You deserve a pat at your back. Congratulations! You're welcome to this training module. This video, particularly on how to boost your Facebook post from your Facebook page. So you are welcome. We have already created a Facebook page, and by now I'm sure we would have posted two or three or even at least five messages on that page. But before you'll be able to boost your page, you must input your payment details. So here am I. Here is my Facebook profile. I have logged into my Facebook wall. So this little arrow here, I'm going to click on it. You can actually create page even from this arrow here, create a page, but now we are talking about boosting your page. So you go to settings, by the left hand side here, you click on payments. So when you get to payments, you come to account setting. I hope you are seeing my mouse. Account setting. In this account setting, you are going to input your here, you add credit or debit card. When you click on it, it will ask you to input the details on your card, the security details and your card number and the expiring date, after which you just come and click this save and continue, and voila, you have added your payment details. The moment you do any advertisement on Facebook will be able to remove money from that particular card, be it naira mastercard or dollar mastercard. I use both of them, and I bank with GTB. So I don't know about other banks, but so far GTB have been doing me well. So after you have input your payment details, you now go to your page. So here I'm going to use one of my page. I have about almost close to 20 pages. The number of pages you can create on Facebook are unlimited, except if they change it, because in the past I've been creating pages for people, I've been managing pages, I've been a social media manager. That's another thing I do by the side. So that is that. So here am I. This is one of my page, Mom on Point blog. This is one of my page, Mom on Point blog. So here I will just look for one of my posts and boost it so that you see how it's been done. So all this, they are my posts. I don't know which one to use. Let me just pick one. That's my problem with anything design or anything like that. If I sometimes I like, okay, let's say I want to, no, I don't want to do this one. Let me just choose. You know what? Let me just pick anyone. Most of them I've already boosted them. I don't want to boost them again. You know, let me just pick this one. This one I've reached out. Oh, I'm so indecisive when it comes to selecting things like that. I don't know why. Okay, so let's say I want to boost this page, this particular post now. So the moment I come here, it will ask me if I want to engage. I need just engagement, I need just people to react, to like, to comment, to share, or I need more customers, I need people to chat with me. So you will discover that sometimes you don't know, but as if Facebook is watching you, as if they know your heart, you'll be seeing some messages that will always float in your timeline, you'll be surprised. As if Facebook knows that I've started picking interest in writing or stuff like that. It's not as if, it is because you are. So let's come here, and so that you see what has been happening here. Right here now, I can decide to choose who I want, who are the people that I want to see this my message. So here I can exactly who, their gender, their location, their what they like, their interests, and so many other things. So like here now, I want to create audience. I can create an audience. I can say, okay, this particular ad, I want to give it a name. Let's say we're talking about mom on point, mom on, or I can say on point 2018. Okay, so that I will know that this is this is a 2018 ad. So when I click here, I can decide that it's only men I want, or I can say it's only women, or I can say men and women. So let me say let's say I want only women. I can decide the age. I can say, okay, I want between age 20 to just 40. You understand? I can decide their location. I can decide where I want their location to be. People in Nigeria, is it people that are in Benin, people that were currently currently in where, if I say I want people in US, wherever I want, Facebook will definitely take my advert to those people. And at the same time, it will ask me to add demographic, their interests. So you see, maybe you Facebook, sometimes Facebook will just ask you randomly, what do you like? Do you like football? Do you like this in your page? It's not as if because they are just interested in you. No, it's because so that people that are paying money for advertising on Facebook, so that those people, they can use that demographic, they can use what your likes are, your interests are, so that they can display advert to you, so that these people will also, you will also get their target customers. So here I can add people that are interested in books. I can say books. So you see, automatically when I say books, anybody that likes book that fall in between the age of 20 to 40 and is located in Abuja, Benin City, or Port Harcourt, Lagos, all these are the people that Facebook will likely, in fact it's not likely, Facebook will show my adverts to. So you can say, you can exclude, you can say you don't want so people, you can say you don't want so kind of people, you can say whatsoever you don't want, you can add here. And the moment you add, as you can see, Facebook is telling me that my audience, okay, your audience size is defined, good job. So I can, if I click on save here, it will save the audience. It will say for me that, okay, these are the people that I want them to see my advert. So after that, I'll just click boost now. The moment I click boost now, it will just take sometimes seconds, sometimes minutes, sometimes, but it doesn't take up to an hour. Sometimes within Facebook, I've never hold my advert. If I just put on boost now, highest 5 minutes, they have approved it. I will say it's under review. After some minutes, you will receive notification telling you that Facebook have approved your advert. Except if you put any spamming message that is too long, and it's against the Facebook policy. Maybe you are posting something like naked pictures or stuff like that, that is too spammy, so they will review it. After they review it, they will tell you that there are some things that they do not agree with it, you need to review it. But aside from that, you are good to go. You just click on boost now and you boost your Facebook advertisement, and it will automatically start showing people what, people that your target interest on what.